Hang on, it's too loud. You have to go down the ladder. Okay, in a second. Cut the engine! Hey, Sergio, can I get a little water on this tree? Thank you. Are you sure?
Yeah, Dad, I just checked online. I'm at the computer.
Well, is it 19 days exactly?
Well, it says between 13 and 19.
Okay. Am I going to be able to do this on my own? Or will I need help?
Well, get help. Maybe an expert.
All right. Okay. Thanks. I'm too old for this. Okay.
Is everything all right? Why do we stop, boss?
Hey, can you bring me the crane?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Eddie, bring that crane.
Dad, look, I found a great website. If they are not big enough, you should wait at least for 10 days.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, that's it. This tree is staying right where it is for the next month. That's a wrap for today.
Okay, guys, come on.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's call it a day.
Miss Emily, I have to hold off on the sale of this red shanks tree.
What do you mean? Aren't those the only red shanks trees you guys have?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry about it.
I have an opening at my house, so you need to get me those red shank trees.
I know. But I can't sell this tree.
You know what? This is absolute nonsense. Cancel the rest of the delivery. All 18 trees.
As you wish.